Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is some Minute Math Tricks. We're going to get your answer every time. I want you to pick a number that's greater than 0. I want you to take that number, multiply it by 2. Then I want you to add a 6 to your answer. I want you then to divide by 2 again, and then subtract your original number. After all that, is your answer 3? Pick a number greater than 0. Take that number, multiply that by 2. Now, I want you to add a 14 to that result. After that, I want you to divide by 2, then subtract your original number from the answer. After all of this, did you get a 7? Pick a number greater than 0. Take that number, multiply it by 2. Now I want you to add 24 to that answer. From there, take your number, divide it by 2, and then I want you to subtract your original number. Is your result 12? Take a number greater than 0. Then multiply it by 2. Now I want you to add 18 to that number. Whatever that result is, divide that number by 2, then subtract your original number. After all that, is your answer 9? Pick a number that is greater than 0. Then take that number and I want you to multiply it by 2. After that, I want you to add 38 to your number. From there, I want you to divide that by 2, then subtract your original number. After all of this, did you get a 19? Can you figure out this Minute Math trick?